When it comes to double-hung windows Clearwater installation in Clearwater, Florida, our team of double-hung windows Clearwater experts is here to provide top-notch services. We specialize in custom window solutions that cater to the unique needs of your home. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient double-hung windows Clearwater residents trust or need assistance with window frame installation, our residential window services have you covered. Our double-hung windows Clearwater specialists are dedicated to ensuring your windows are installed with precision and care. For those seeking window replacement double-hung windows Clearwater services, our company offers a wide range of options to suit your style and budget. Our window renovation double-hung windows Clearwater services are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. With our window design services Clearwater, Florida, you can choose from a variety of double-hung windows Clearwater styles that complement your home's architecture. Our custom double-hung windows Clearwater solutions ensure that your windows are tailored to your specific preferences. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Clearwater are a priority for many homeowners, and our energy-efficient options are designed to reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. Our window insulation services in Clearwater, Florida help to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Additionally, our window weatherproofing services ensure that your double-hung windows Clearwater are protected from the elements, providing long-lasting durability. If you're in need of double-hung windows Clearwater installation services, our team is equipped to handle any issues you may encounter. From window sash installation to window hardware replacement, we offer comprehensive solutions to keep your double-hung windows Clearwater functioning smoothly. Our window sealing services are designed to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency, making your home more comfortable year-round. For those interested in double-hung windows Clearwater upgrades, our services offer a variety of options to enhance your window's performance and appearance. Our window glass replacement services ensure that your double-hung windows Clearwater are clear and free from damage. Whether you need window screen replacement or window cleaning services, our team is here to assist with all your window maintenance needs. Our double-hung windows Clearwater consultation services provide expert advice and guidance to help you make informed decisions about your window projects. We understand that every home is unique, and our window design services are tailored to meet your specific requirements. From installation to renovation, our team is committed to delivering exceptional results for your double-hung windows Clearwater. Double-hung windows Clearwater installation in Clearwater, Florida, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. These windows offer a classic look while providing excellent ventilation options. With the ability to open from both the top and bottom, double-hung windows Clearwater are versatile and easy to clean, making them a preferred option for many residential properties. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Clearwater are a crucial consideration for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. By choosing energy-efficient models, residents can enjoy better insulation and lower utility bills. These double-hung windows Clearwater are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which is particularly beneficial in the Florida climate. For those in need of double-hung windows Clearwater installation, expert services are readily available. Whether it's a broken sash, damaged frame, or malfunctioning hardware, professional installation services can restore your double-hung windows Clearwater to optimal condition. Timely installations not only enhance the appearance of your windows but also improve their functionality and energy efficiency. Window replacement with double-hung windows Clearwater is a significant investment that can greatly enhance the value and comfort of your home. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient models or replacing outdated windows, professional window replacement services ensure a seamless installation process. With a variety of styles and materials available, homeowners can choose the perfect double-hung windows Clearwater to complement their home's design. Custom double-hung windows Clearwater solutions offer homeowners the opportunity to tailor their windows to their specific needs and preferences. From unique shapes and sizes to specialized glass and frame materials, custom double-hung windows Clearwater can enhance both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your home. Expert window design services in Clearwater, Florida, can help bring your vision to life. Residential services for double-hung windows Clearwater encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance and cleaning. Homeowners can rely on professional services to ensure their double-hung windows Clearwater are in top condition year-round. Regular maintenance and timely installations can extend the lifespan of your windows and improve their performance. Window glass replacement for double-hung windows Clearwater is an essential service for homeowners dealing with cracked or broken glass. Professional services can quickly and efficiently replace damaged glass, restoring the safety and appearance of your double-hung windows Clearwater. Whether it's a single pane or double pane glass, expert technicians can handle the job with precision.